Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Josh Simonson here. Today we have a 2011 210 Nautique Super Air. This is a traded boat that we got in. We got it all nice and cleaned up. Went through the process. You can see it's got the black with some gray, a little bit of red. Got the red tower with the speakers up there. Turned out really nicely. Come to the back. Got the swim platform and the nice sun pad up on top. So let's go on inside and take a look. So along with the nice swim platform that we have back there and then the sun pad that we have back here, when you come into the boat, we've got seating back this way with a lean back here. We've got seating all the way around. This does pop up here, so if you want to sit back and then you have room for somebody to sit right here. This bench does pull out and then faces back that way, which is nice. Obviously you got the helm seat here. We've got all the controls up here. It is a push button start to get this thing going. About hours, you're looking at about 560 on this one. You've got the nice tower like I mentioned before, the speakers, the board racks, some nice room in the bow, and then JL audio speakers all the way through, which is a nice upgrade. So this boat's here in Rogers, nice and clean, good trade. Come on in, take a look, and as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.